welcome to the journey of the Nature Valley that we're doing again. This is where the 26th person disappeared on the night of November 26th. As part of the continuing of my outdoor nature exhibition, I bring your attention to these huge structures. Right up, eh? See the top? Those are where the monsters live and reside. These are the towers that will destroy the world and destroy nature as we know it now. Stay tuned for more later. Okay, kids, we're almost at the mouth of the giant falls. You see this sign? That means no more walking in here because people lost their lives in the water. It's not pretty. Stay tuned as we head closer to Indiana Jones area. Come on. Kids, I'm scared. Please, I'm not going to get caught on a branch. Don't. Oh my God, Tina, what am I going to do? Oh, hi, kids. Well, I've had quite an adventure, but I just picked this up, the cedar flower, and I'm going to make a wish, okay? And if you build this, and you build it 3 times, and you kill off the seeds, your wish will come true. So here we go. 1, 2,